Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make stylish lettering design. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Select text tool and write text. I'm using Now You See Me font, link in description, here you go and download it. Open the effect bar, then go to Distort and Transform panel, select Pucker and Bloat. Then put -28% value and check preview, then OK. Now make a background shape and color it. Put text in it. Bring to front, then align and color it. Now make a copy, adjust it and decrease opacity level. Now the stylish lettering is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.